Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. So this is all of my skincare all laid out. I guess I should have done a shot before, but I've got it all grouped up to like cleansers, eye stuff. These are like serums and treatments. You've got moisturizers, makeup removers, masks, toners, eye masks, and then sheet masks and stuff like that there. So what my plan is to organize everything so not only is it easy to get to, but it's no longer all spread out. And some of the little things will be going in here because I do have 4 drawers empty. And then I was going to use these, but after sorting and separating everything out, looking at all the different things that I've got, I don't know if I'm going to need those. So I'm going to start off with this little pink bucket, and I'm going to put the 2 cleansers in that I'm using right now because I'm doing okay guys, so I just finished putting everything back in here, and I actually have several containers that are empty, like the basket that I had the skincare in and one of the other little baskets. But right here we have everything that is like the daily stuff that I use day and night. These are all masks, whether it's for your eyes or your face. This is moisturizers, like treatments like the Farsali Unicorn Essence stuff, BB creams. So all of that is in here. In this, I have microdermabrasion stuff, regular masks that didn't fit in here, and like sheet masks like these guys back here that all came in like subscription boxes and whatnot. And then in here we have cleansers and makeup removers and toners. And then what I ended up doing was taking moisturizers and putting them in here, like the little tiny ones. This is all like little things of sunscreen. And then everything in here is either like the eye creams that I have that are not being used daily right now, or like little treatment things that I've gotten in subscription boxes. And then up here are the little moisturizers that I've gotten from Sephora. This is actually a mixture of some sunscreen and some moisturizer, because this is one that I used up, and thankfully I bought two, but one of these little guys lasted me like 4 months. This stuff is amazing. This one here is also amazing. This Honey Drop from the pharmacy. I love this stuff. If I could afford to buy a big one when this runs out, I would. This stuff here, the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb, burns the absolute dickens out of my face no matter what time of day it is. I don't know what's in this stuff, but it burns so bad it's not even funny. But I do use it. It's not as moisturizing as I was expecting it to be, but I do have sensitive dry skin, and I do like the fragrance, but it's only a little sample from Sephora. So that is all of my skincare put away. And I have a bathroom counter again. I used to put all of my skincare up here along the edge, but it'll be so much easier to get up in the morning and or night and just take out this little tray, put it on the counter, do what I need to do, and then put the whole thing back in. And this is the new one that I opened. I've been using it about a month now, month and a half. And that's how much is missing after a month and a half. So really like this stuff. Hopefully it'll last long enough for me to either get one as a full size as a gift or to save up some money from my sales online in order to buy a big one, because I really do like how moisturizing this is, because my face is super dry. So yeah, I just thought this was like super cool that I could fit all of my daily stuff in one little thing, and I just plop it in and go. So hopefully you enjoyed the video of me sorting and rearranging all of my skincare into these little containers. And I did end up using this drawer. I pulled things out of my cart and I put like clips and hair ties and like these scrunchie bands that I use when I'm like washing my face. So I put some of those back in there. So I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye.